On April 15, 2025, members of the Cwecwe party gathered outside the Department of Justice headquarters in Pretoria to demand justice for Cwecwe, a 7-year-old girl that was allegedly raped at Cwecwe College in the Eastern Cape in October 2024. The protest highlighted broader concerns about GBV and the perceived failures of South Africa's justice system. Legoti Matilda, representing the MK Youth League, emphasized the state's obligation to protect children from abuse, questioning President Cyril Ramaphosa's silence on the matter, and said every child has a right to be protected from maltreatment, neglect, and abuse. She stated that as a nation, we are bound by law to uphold this, and perpetrators of such crimes must face the full force of the law. Promise Nkosimpile, spokesperson of the Cwecwe Party Women's League, criticized the justice system's handling of the GBV cases, noting that no arrests have been made in Cwecwe's case. She highlighted existing laws like the Sexual Offences Act and the Children's Act, asserting that their proper implementation is lacking, and said that the system seems to be failing victims of sexual offences. No arrests have yet been made in Cwecwe's rape case. Advocate Sharon said Deputy Director General for Constitutional Development received the memorandum from the protesters. She acknowledged the trauma caused by GBV and reiterated the department's commitment to the GBV and Femicide and National Strategic Plan, and said community mobilization plays an essential role in sustaining public awareness, shaping policy reform, and strengthening institutional accountability. The Cwecwe Party has also called on Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber to freeze the passports of individuals implicated in Cwecwe's case to prevent them from fleeing the country. Additionally, a petition demanding justice for Cwecwe has been generated over 670,000 signatures, reflecting widespread public support. This protest underscores the urgent need for systemic reforms to address GBV and ensure justice for victims like Cwecwe. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.